Gonna get a little close so you guys can see the colors. I don't know what that is, but brightness is really nice. It's really sharp, really vivid during the day. So right now it's daytime. All right, so this is a HiSense Roku HD Smart TV, 32 inches. This is the remote. Here are the legs for it. We're not going to be using these. They're plastic legs. All right, so here's our TV. And this is it right now installed in our bathroom. And this is the washroom. Let's take a look at the inputs. You got your antenna coaxial, your headphone jack is in there. There's a reset button if for whatever reason your smart or Wi-Fi doesn't work. It's got a digital audio out right here. It's got a USB DC 5 volts, which means you can connect like an LED light like this. So this is a string light that you can go and connect, run it around. You can also plug in, it's got 3 HDMI ports, which is pretty good. And then it's got the AV ins, the yellow, the red, and the white, which are the. And then you got your VESA mounting system right here, but we're not going to need that. We're just going to basically place that into this little niche here that we've created. It's pretty responsive in terms of the applications and the interface. I don't have an antenna built in here, but I do have Prime Video. So we're using a 5 gigahertz connection. It does accept 5 gigahertz, which is great, 2.4. It's hooked into the wireless setting right now. So it's just going to go and load something up. The brightness is really nice. It's really sharp, really vivid during the day. So right now it's daytime. Really liking. So let's do just whatever this is. Okay, resume. The audio is also extremely good. I'm gonna get a little close so you guys can see the colors. I don't know what that is, but and you can fast forward by 10 seconds, 15. It's a very basic remote control, but it does allow you to sleep as well. So you can put a sleep timer, but I mean this TV is obviously in the washroom here. Now the other thing is the volume on this is very, very impressive. So we're in a washroom. When you run a whole shower, it gets loud, and as long as it's on a little louder, like we're on 80 right now out of 100, and it's loud with the shower on, and the shower is literally like 6-7 feet away, right there. So yeah, I mean. Now, one thing, there is the remote, the way I mounted it at least, the remote is hidden right underneath here, right? So you do have to make sure that you kind of point it lower than higher. Another thing is there was a button underneath here. So if you press this button, it would put in sleep mode. And then you turn it on, and then again, it activates it back on. You got your different settings here. So it's got 3 HDMIs. Yeah, I mean, overall, really, really, really nice TV. I honestly cannot complain about this television. For the price that I paid, I think it's 180 Canadian, which is like 140 American. I love it. I'm going to show you how to turn this TV on, off, and put it in sleep mode without using a remote control. So at the very bottom of this TV, there is this transparent button. And it's essentially got a button built into it. So if the TV is on and you're on some show or in some Netflix show or wherever you are, and you don't want to completely turn off the TV, you just come under here and then you hold it for about 3 seconds, it's powering it off, and then it's done. And then it's sleep mode, and now you just tap it once, and then right away it comes back where it was. Yes, Mishu is definitely interested in this. She's always hogging my videos.